What if your crypto could earn money while you just hold it? Bybit Earn makes passive income super easy. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive in to this amazing platform. If you've heard of Bybit, you will know these guys are one of the top dog exchanges out there with some of the best liquidity and some of the best trading options. But what you might not know is they do have their own DeFi section called Bybit Earn. Now, to get to this, all you got to do is go to this Earn section, and it's super easy. You can see that we do have all of the different APYs and ways we can earn passively with our crypto. So if you are someone that simply just saves, well, you could use this staking opportunity to basically earn passively. And they also have liquidity mining options too, which basically means you would be a liquidity provider or a market maker and essentially just have that automatically making money from the market's volatility. Now, normally that would sound super complicated, but Bybit have this all automated for you, and you can see here we do have the different APRs available. So if we were to stake BTC here, then we could do this in a few different ways. We could do this in a flexible way or a fixed way. So what does that mean? Well, a flexible way actually allows you to withdraw or unlock those funds at any time, and your yield is generated hourly. Whereas on the fixed ways, you can see here, we would invest it for 30 days, in which it will be locked. And yes, we would get an APR for that. Now, of course, usually the longer you lock it up, the higher your yield will be. You can see here, the yield would be 0.6% for 30 days, which would be APR. And then, of course, the longer you lock up, the more you can get. Now, depending on the asset here, the yield will be different. So if we go down to Ethereum, you can see completely different yields here compared to Bitcoin. And of course, USDT will probably have the highest yield out there. This is because most different assets are paired with USDT, so it gets the most volume and therefore the most volatility, in which, yes, we can use that and earn from that with Bybit Earn. Now, there are different ways you can earn as well on the Bybit platform, but if you are thinking about signing up already, guys, then definitely do it through Bybit Sharks. And the reason for this is because, well, I found these guys recently, and yes, they do just offer a bunch of free stuff for you if you use their affiliate link. So here we can see this is the standard sign up page for Bybit, but they've actually partnered with Bybit Sharks, which allows for exclusive promotions to people in the community, VIP deal brokering. So if you're a high volume trader, you can get extra benefits from doing it through Bybit Sharks. And they have a bunch of other stuff in their Telegram as well. Guys, if you're looking to grow your social media, you should definitely be using SMMGO, the sponsor of this video. These guys provide real views, real services, and they have a fantastic support system as well. And to be honest, guys, every YouTuber that gets big starts out using an SMM service, and this is how you can turn your social media into an absolute rocket ship. So don't just take my word for it. Head to smmgo.io today and change your socials for the better with real likes, real views, and real growth across the board. Check it out in the description, and let's get back to the video. So this is the Bybit Sharks Telegram, and joining through Bybit Sharks gives you instant access to this Telegram group. As you can see, there's a bunch of different things that are here and lots more that's coming soon as well. So we can see there's Shark Trades and commentary, KOL commentary, paid group relays. So this would actually be signals from paid signal groups, which is really cool. They have TradeFi news, different alerts on the market. We can see the Fed rate cuts here. We're actually in this group here today, which I think is fantastic. So getting all of your information from one place, and of course getting the exclusive benefits simply through signing up with Bybit Sharks. And there's just tons more here coming too. So definitely consider signing up with Bybit Sharks here, guys, because this is definitely something that will help you out in your trading journey, whether you're a beginner or more advanced. And all you got to do is hit the link in the description. You'll be sent to this page here, in which you simply just put your email in, make your account, and you are good to go. Now, if you are already on Bybit, but you do want access to Bybit Sharks, then again, completely free to do. All you got to do is click this button on their website, and then the admin will talk to Bybit and get your account transferred over to Bybit Sharks, giving you access to all of this stuff. And then once you've signed up to Bybit, of course, you will get access to all of the trading features. You will get access to all of this. The only difference is that, yes, your account will have affiliate partnership with Bybit Sharks. So you still have access to your account. Bybit Sharks cannot access your account. You simply just have it attached to the affiliate that is Bybit Sharks, in which you get access to all of the extra bonuses. So definitely do that. Now, dual asset here is something you also might want to consider for earning on Bybit, because we can see here you can get ridiculous APR simply by predicting settlement prices. So if we're in a bull market and we think the settlement price of this is going to be higher, then we might want to put some money in and actually earn a lot more here in APR compared to something like staking. And you can do this with a bunch of different things. So here we can see that we do have Ethereum, we have Ethereum to BTC, and a bunch of other different assets that we can use. But just remember, you do get that benefit if you do use Bybit Sharks. So definitely sign up through them, because you are going to get 20% discount on your fees. And you can also see there are massive welcome rewards here. So if you're a high volume trader, you do deposit, you can actually get 30K for free, which I think is fantastic. But that is going to be it for this video. Hopefully you learned a little bit more about Bybit and what you can do. But just remember, Bybit Sharks is definitely the way to get involved here, because you do get all of that benefit through the Telegram group and all of the fee discounts. So that will be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video.